Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the red notification bell to enjoy more of my videos. Today I'll be showing you how to clean and unblock the water filter in your washing machine, especially when the water is not flowing in the drum tube. And also I'll be showing you how to remove and clean the detergent dryer in your washing machine. Okay, this is my washing machine. First of all, you have to unplug the washing machine from the socket for safety. And also you have to open the cover that covers the water filter. The water filter are here. Then you have to grab your screwdriver. This is my screwdriver. There is one hook here, there is another one here, and there is another one here. So you have to After that, this is where the filter is, and you have to put a flat tray under the washing machine so that all the water that will be coming out from the filter will not pour on the floor and it will not cause you another stress. Then you will carefully and gently open the water filter. You turn it up and down, up and down, up and down until you are able to bring it out. As I'm looking at this, this one looks so blocked. I don't know what's blocking it. I only noticed when I was washing clothes yesterday, the water was not flowing at all. I was forced to stop the washing machine to bring out my clothes. Then, as you can see, it is very hard to remove. So you can see I'm struggling to open it. I don't know what's blocking it, but I need to get it out. Oh wow, wow, wow. I think this is a lot. I still don't know what it is, but it's so huge. It's so huge. Whoa, whoa. It's a hole. It's a big, a pair of socks. It's a socks. It's a big socks. Grown-up socks. As you can see, this will never allow water flow out of the filter. This is so. Then after removing the filter, you have to dip your index finger to check if there is anything else. Then you bring it out. But there is nothing there. I can't find any other thing. Then if you are sure there is no other thing, you can grab wipes or towel to clean it up. Just clean it up very well so that the water can be flowing through. Okay. You should be doing this every 3 months minimally, then maybe 4 months maximally. If you are the busy type, then do this every 4 months. And if you are less busy, do this every 3 months. As as I'm looking at it, I think everything is clean. It was just the socks that was blocking the filter. Now the socks is out, and you have to take this and rinse it. Then after rinsing this one, you have to gently fix it back. Screw it back gently, make it tight so that the water will not be leaking out. It is well tightened, well closed. Then you gently remove the tray you have put it under the washing machine. Then you dispose the water. Then you have to cover. You have to fix the cover back. Gently fix it. That is all done. And also, I'll be showing you how to remove and clean the detergent drawer. This is it. You have to press this red compartment, then you pull it out. Then you take it to the sink to clean. This is the 4th month I've been using this without washing because I've been a little busy. You have to wash it very well so that it can serve you for another 3 or 4 months. You can use brush to clean it, but I just want to use my hand. My brush is not available right now. Clean it very well. Then you turn it to the back. Turn it to the back. I mean the bottom side. Then you wash. Wash everything very well. Wash it very well. Now it's all clean. Then you have to grab your towel. Then you take the towel into where you've removed the drawer, then you clean it. Clean all the excess detergent that leaked out from the drawer. Clean it very well, properly. Clean it thoroughly so that your washing machine will be nice and clean. There are lots of detergent in the drawer compartment. So clean the top part of it, clean the side, clean the bottom, clean every part. They are all clean now. Then we have to fix our drawer back. Grab your drawer, then you put it back the same way you have removed it. Press the compartment, then push it inside. It is all nice and clean. It's like a new washing machine. Alright, thank you for watching this video. See you later. Bye bye.